Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix IRS identity verification issues step by step. First, understand that this usually happens when the IRS cannot confirm your identity to process your return or refund. You may receive a letter asking you to verify online or by phone. Start by going to irs.gov and using the Identity Verification Service if it is available for your notice. You will need your tax return information, social security number, filing status, and access to financial records, like your prior year AGI. If online verification is not an option, call the IRS number listed on your letter and follow their instructions carefully. You may also be asked to attend an in-person verification appointment with documents like a government ID and tax records. After successful verification, processing resumes automatically, but it may still take a few weeks. Always ensure your future filings match IRS records exactly to avoid repeated issues. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.